Would you say, Patrick, that one of your biggest attraction is your beach? Because look at this water.
Yes, one of the main attractions is our beach.
Yeah.
It is a small beach.
Yes.
But it is.
What about the rooms, Patrick? How many rooms are here?
We have got 49 rooms here on this property. We have got 2 masters and we've got 8 swim-out rooms. We've got 4 double-bedded. And of course, if they want to go out to shop, fine. But we make it a point of our duty to take our vendors in to show off their products and to sell their product, what they have made.
Every Jamaican hotel has something unique about it. And Zoetry in Montego Bay is no different. I love how they use nature and they incorporate the beach and different artistic expressions. As usual, you know what Kareems Quest going to do. I'm going to talk to somebody who has all the relevant information to share with me so I can pass it on to you guys because it's a learning experience for me. And if you go to my website, kareemsquest.com, you can see more reviews of places like this as well as this one.
Kareem's Quest. Travel different from the rest. You're watching Kareem's Quest. Always an adventure when you're watching Kareem's Quest.
This is Patrick.
Welcome to Zoetry, our eco-friendly resort.
All right, thanks,
in
Patrick.
Montego Bay.
Patrick, I love this setup of this area. What is this area called?
Well, this is Canoa. It's a bar and it's a restaurant.
Okay.
Canoa is open for the bar service is open at 10 a.m. Goes up until 5, closes, then reopen at 6 for dinner.
Okay.
Dinner is at 6 or 6:30. It depends on the team night.
But
it
what
goes
I
up
love,
until 10.
What I love about this is this, Patrick. This deck area must be like a big seller for persons who are here, right?
Well, this deck is so beautiful at nights, especially when we do have a full moon rising on the water. It is so fabulous. People want to come out to sit.
So Patrick, like if the sea gets very rough, persons have to move from here?
Well, yes, if the sea gets rough, and it doesn't get as rough as you think.
Okay.
Maybe if you would say windy, it would be a windy evening, not a rough evening, because the barrier reef outside there, it protects us from the waves.
All right, then, good. And when I'm here, what should I order, especially at this restaurant?
Well, it varies. It can be it's a Jamaican night. All right. It can be a Mexican night. It can be a French night. Okay. It varies on the team night. Okay. We do changes the team on a nightly basis.
What about the other restaurants that I should go for? I saw a cafe shop when I entered.
Yes, there is a coffee shop. The coffee shop is open at 6:30 a.m. and it goes up until 9 p.m. Of course, for different coffees, for teas, for pastries. All right. In the evenings, also we do got our tea time, which begins at 5 and it goes up until 6 for your coffee again, your teas and your pastries.
Okay then. No, I don't know animals very well, but what type of birds am I looking at right there?
We are
seagulls?
looking at the seagulls and we are looking at some pelicans.
Really?
Yes. All right. There they go, yeah?
Oh my goodness, that is nature at its best. I love seeing them, right?
Yes.
And they're all just so relaxed.
Yes, and of course, over that little island over there, we find the egrets.
Oh, really?
Yes. If you notice, it's the habitats at nights. So in the evening,
soak up the sun on pristine beaches, ride horses through the ocean, feel the zipline rush. With Kareem's Quest Tours, discover Jamaica's hidden gems, find amazing places to stay, and learn the secrets of our island plants. Your unforgettable adventure awaits.
In the evening, you'll find flocks of birds, going over to nest.
So can we go on that island or it's just for them?
Well, I've seen guests going over there, yes, to take their looks. You can kayak over there.
Okay. Oh, you can kayak over there?
Kayak over there. Of course, this time I'll ensure that you're wearing a water shoe because some places you go, it can be a bit shallow.
Okay.
All right, and then to avoid sharp edges, the water shoe will help you.
There you go, there you go. Now, for non-motorized sports, I would presume that that's free?
Yes, it is complimentary. We're talking about non-motorized sports. We are talking about kayaking, and we're talking about paddleboard. All right. Also, snorkeling. It is complimentary likewise, and we've done that thrice for the week.
Ah.
It's Tuesdays and Wednesdays and Fridays.
Okay.
All right. One got to be ready at 9 a.m.
Okay.
for
And
the
somebody
boat.
guide. Oh, and there's a boat?
Yes, there is a boat. Of course, one comes down from its 4 person or more, the boat will go. From it's good weather, the boat will go. All right?
Okay,
and it goes there for about roughly an hour and gets back.
How long have you been here, Patrick?
I'm here 2 years now.
Okay.
2 years now.
Oh.
Yes.
And tell me, what about the rooms, Patrick? How many rooms are here?
We have got 49 rooms here on this property. We have got 2 masters and we've got 8 swim out rooms. We've got 4 double bedded. And of course, the rest are tropical view and ocean view.
Talk to me now about what is a regular room, a standard room?
A standard room, actually all these rooms are suite. A standard room, you'll just not finding a tub, but other else amenities are located in the rooms just the same.
Okay.
And the view. All right, so like for the garden view, sorry,
Yeah,
you're not looking at the ocean.
you're seeing the
All right,
garden.
it's the garden.
Okay.
All right, so that the garden view enhance it more, you know, than the ocean.
Take me up another notch now. Which other room above that now?
Above this, it's our swim out rooms. We've got 8 swim out rooms.
Okay.
All right, care to take a look at one?
Soon.
All right,
We'll soon
all
go
right.
look for them.
And from the swim out, we'll go to a higher level, which is the master. And we've got 2 masters.
Okay.
All right, yeah. One is more of, both masters are ocean view, but one is the better of the ocean views.
Okay. Straight on.
Straight on.
All right. So real quick, this is your lobby area. Is a family here, so that's kind of gathering and so forth?
Yes. This is our lobby area. One comes down, they play games, board games. They'll have their favorite cocktail, sit around, chit and chat with staff. Of course, book their tours, all right, and sign up for their UVC packages, and of course, have coffee.
Ah, and this is considered a boutique hotel, right?
Yes, sir. It is a boutique hotel. Of course, it is eco-friendly, all right, and concierge service. They've got a 24 hours room service. This is how it is.
Ah, so once you book, is that standard or you have to pay
Once
extra
you booked,
cost?
it is included.
Now, I noticed that you have local vendors here.
Yes.
Right.
So every day we've got local craft vendors in to show off their products and of course to make their sales. All right. To make it much better for our guests, we take the vendors in, providing them not going out to shop. If they want to go out to shop, fine. But we make it a point of our duty to take our vendors in to show off their products and to sell their product, what they've made.
Okay, this is another dining area. What is this dining area now?
We are at Koyaba. Koyaba is the main restaurant, and of course, Koyaba is open for breakfast and dinner.
And dinner?
Yes, breakfast is at 7 a.m. and it goes up until 11 a.m. While dinner is at 6:30 or 6 p.m. and it goes up until 10.
I noticed, that, like last night, I saw entertainment.
Yes, on a nightly basis. We've got the violinist, it can be the saxophonist, it can be the steel band.
Okay.
Tonight is Saturday and it's considered as Jamaica Day. All right, look forward for a reggae band tonight.
It's a reggae band tonight?
Yeah, yes.
And of course, you know, Bob Marley going to play.
Oh, yes, sir. Oh, yes, sir. And of course, one get to taste more of our authenticity of our food.
Ah, so more oxtail going to be there. Curry goat.
Escovitch, curry goat. And
I tried the escovitch fish.
how was that?
It was good.
Perfect.
You know what I tried? So they did curry saltfish, which is codfish for those of you abroad, and bami.
Yes, that is so lovely.
Appetizer, yes.
So lovely. Sometimes we've got Bammy at Jerky Joe's. We'll take a look at Jerky Joe's shortly.
Yeah, we're going to go over to Jerky
Yes,
Joe's, right?
all right, but
Would you say, Patrick, that one of your biggest attraction is your beach? Because look at this water.
Of course, yes, one of the main attractions is our beach.
Yeah.
It is a small beach.
Yes.
But it is
But you only
beautiful.
have 45 rooms,
45
right? So you
rooms,
don't have to worry.
This fits our client. It suits our clients. Yes.
Yeah, I noticed it because, and then you kind of sit down and be served and things like
Yes,
that.
we do offer cocktail services. All right, so, and even if the cocktail waitress isn't here, the butlers will swing by and double check with their guests to find out if they're doing fine. Yes, so the butlers are like the concierge here.
Got you.
Yes.
Can families come here or it's just adults?
It's a family-friendly property.
Okay, okay then. So if you have kids, kids can be here?
Yes.
All right.
Well-behaved kids can be here. We will accept them.
So what are some of the activities that can take place here?
This property is being advertised as a relaxing property, a quiet property.
Okay.
So we'll find karaoke.
Yeah.
We'll find,
Oh, you have a karaoke night?
Yes. We'll find bingo held on the pool deck. We'll find tie and dye held by the craft vendors again. We'll find bracelet making. We'll find basket making. And of course, these are done by the local craft vendors, the same ones that bring their products in. So today would be basket making. Tomorrow will be tie and dye, and we do have our different.
Okay, so you do give tourists like a different type of experience then, right?
Yes, we do. Yes, we do.
All right,
yes,
so now we're going to go to Jerky Joe.
Yes, sir.
All right,
yes,
so
sir.
what does Jerky Joe normally have?
Well, Jerky Joe, again, this is famous for our jerk chicken, our jerk pork.
Yes.
Again, our authenticity of our Jamaican
cuisine. Yep,
all
there
right?
you go, there you go.
Right, sir. Jerky Joe's is conducted by Tika. Oh my God, she is a one in a million.
Tika, can we just taste a little sample of your sausage? Can we do that?
Just a minute.
All right, then. So, in the meantime, so.
Hold on, that's our full serving right here. Just
No problem, man. No problem, Tika. So we're relaxing at this spot, and we can even hear the planes. We can see the planes as well.
Yes.
Right?
Yes, yes,
we can
yes,
actually see the planes. So we're in Montego Bay, and we're about probably what? About like 15 minutes from the airport?
It's about 15 minutes from the airport, yes.
So on property then, what are some of the other things that are available to guests?
We've got the spa.
Okay.
We've got this the soaking tub, the hot tub, the cold tub over there for them to utilize.
Yeah.
We've got the sauna on the inside, and of course they don't have to book for those. As long as they are vacant, they can utilize.
Oh, really?
They can utilize.
And
it's for them.
All right, so now let's talk about the gym a little bit. Now, when I went to your... So hold on there, stop that now. So when I went, I was like, you only have a gym with treadmill in it? I was like,
no,
what?
we've got the weight section.
Yeah.
We've got the weight section. So it's two sections, treadmills and the weight section.
Oh, okay, all right. The sausage finally here.
Oh my God.
Thank you so much, Chantel. All right, cool. Yeah, we're going to try it. One off the cheek. So this is jerk sausage.
Jerk sausage.
Very juicy. I'm tasting the flavoring. Right, and smooth.
For some people, of course, the sauce, they love the jerk sauce. And a little dip of that jerk sauce is out of this world.
Wow.
So, you know, one could have tried it with the jerk sauce.
Let me show you what the sausage look like. Nice sausage that's done in a jerk manner.
Jerk sausage.
Patrick, you want?
That is good for me. I'm fine right now.
Patrick sound like him up on that. Kareem's Quest is not on a diet, all right? I like this. And it's not dry.
No, it is just perfect. Just perfect.
It's not dry. Tastes really nice. And the seasoning is mild. It's not overwhelming.
Thank you, baby.
So it's not burning the back of your throat. It's not making your eyes feel watery. You know, it's very palatable.
All right, so we are at one of our 8 rooms, and this is one of our tropical view with soaking tub.
With soaking tub.
All
Let's
right,
just go
so
straight
this is
into
a
the soaking
tropical
tub.
view with soaking tub. All right,
Oh,
swim
wow.
out
Yeah.
with soaking tub.
All right, that's a nice view, and I can still see the main pool area, which is lovely. And how many rooms are on this ground floor? 4?
There are 4 rooms on this ground floor.
So you sit out here saying just relax. And
Just
you don't,
relax.
You
and
don't have
do
to go
your
in the
thing.
main area.
No, 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 no. And of course, here comes the concierge, here comes the butler again
All
to
right.
do their necessary.
Okay, then that's nice. All right. So take me back into the room now. All right. So this a what? A king size bed?
This is a king size bed. All right, and of course, all rooms, remember, are 24 hours room service. All rooms are stocked daily with amenities, fresh fruits on a daily basis, champagne on a daily basis, and of course, the mini bar, yes, is fully stocked.
And it's like a studio, and some of it is compartmentalized. So you have your tub area.
Well, tub is there, yes. And of course, behind you is the shower, and of course, the
Oh,
water.
so it's like a
closet.
walk-in shower.
Yes, sir.
So you guys utilize the space as best as
As
possible.
possible.
And
Yes,
I like how you do the tiling. I like the stones that rest as a backdrop, because that really gives it a nice contrasting look.
Perfect.
And the hexagonal tiles, this is really lovely.
Perfect.
So yeah, I love the attention to detail. And then you do this for everybody, where you put out, you lay out the pastry.
For everybody. For
Really?
everybody. And again, as it relates to maid services, it is thrice per day. All right, so we have got a regular daytime service, we have midday checks, and we've got turn down service.
Turn on service. Yes, I heard somebody saying turn
Turn
on.
down service.
Yeah.
All right.
And what about your bar?
For the bar, we've got our bar is stocked with juices, water. All right, of course, water, Coke, Sprite, Red Stripe. All right, is stocked in the fridge on a daily basis. Likewise, champagne. Of course, champagne is set. All right, that's how it is.
So let me ask you then, if we're stepping up into a different category of room, what would be different with the layout of that room from this room?
The difference, it's more space. It's more of a 2-bedded room,
Okay.
flat.
Okay, I got you.
Yeah?
Got you.
That's how it is.
All right, good.
All right, we are entering 315. That's our master suite, Ocean View Master Suite.
Okay then.
All
wow.
right.
And this has a separate living room area.
Separate living room area. All right, separate bedroom area. And of course, we have got 2 balconies.
Okay. So you have one there, and then you basically have a living room and then a dining
A dining
area.
room. Just additional information. Whenever this suite is booked directly, straight bookings, it is furnished with top class liquors.
So if you book it on your hotel, on your website?
Online.
Okay,
Yes.
all right. So we're getting
Such
some
as
tips there.
Grey Goose, Patron, you name it,
Okay, so anything high class.
high class. And
I know we can head over to the bedroom.
right, this is the bedroom,
So this is a king size bed.
king size, yes. And of course, if you notice, 24 hours room service.
No, but not just 24-hour room service. So this is something that I've noticed with like even the secret hotels, the whole chain. You guys have tablets.
Tablets to place your order for room service. All right, so you place your order and it goes directly to room service.
Okay, then
And
so you can get a tablet. You can do a spa on it.
yes,
You can
do your drink, your food on it likewise.
Okay, then good. And I must tell you, I mean, this is something that is probably at a lot of hotels too, but I love the fact that your 55-inch TV, their high def, show really nice. I watched several shows last night before I went to bed.
Perfect.
Yeah,
Perfect.
yeah, yeah.
Perfect.
All right, so let me ask you now, right? this bag, this is a beach bag.
This is a
complimentary.
beach bag. It is complimentary.
Okay, because guess what? Kareem's Quest doesn't want to be one of those persons who take everything from the hotel and pack up in a bag. So I always try to ask. But I really wanted to take this one. Though,
the bag is complimentary.
Okay.
The towels are not complimentary.
Yeah, but the bag is. And what I love about it, they put this little button, right? So unlike other beach bags that are open, this one has a little button to it. So it kind of helps for things not to fall out and can cover it. All right, cool.
Perfect. So remember, the robes stay, the towels stay,
yeah,
but the bag is for you.
Can go. So I feel okay if I take the bag then?
Yes, indeed.
All right, because I was very curious about that one.
Yes, indeed. Yes,
all right,
indeed.
and then now you have a tub in this area.
A tub is on the balcony.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, the tub is
on the balcony.
All right. So let's just go around.
Let's look at the shower area.
So that's the bathroom and the shower area now.
Yes.
Okay then. Nice. So we have our shower area. Good. All right. So we're just going to head back out and we are going to look at the balcony. So this is basically a highest class, right?
This is the highest class. Out of 49 rooms, this is the highest of all.
Okay, then good. All right, and this is where this is your tub.
This is our tub.
So you can just fill up your tub and you look out at the sea while you're doing it, right?
View. Yes, indeed.
Oh my goodness, and this is a nice view.
This is.
I really like this view.
This is. So this is the master of the masters of all rooms.
Okay then. So when you're coming to this hotel, I mean, you must always try and see if you can get this one. How many of these master rooms exist for this property?
We've got 2 master suites.
Okay.
2 master. But this is the better of the view.
Okay then. This one have a nice view.
Yes.
And then for the other one, now the other balcony area, that's more just sitting down and dining.
More sitting down, yes, sir. Yes.
All right. That's lovely. Patrick, we're now in the lobby area.
Yes.
What happens in there? Because I see a grand piano.
In the lobby area, we don't have a pianist, like say, but if a guest tend to play the piano, and feel free to come down and play and enjoy themselves. Some evenings we also will take the violinist in, all right, and she'll play. And if it rains, we'll switch up and we'll have a dinner set up in the lobby likewise.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Really? Yes. That's nice. That's supposed to look really good.
Really good in the lobby.
All right, so Zoetry is this boutique hotel. We're looking at 45 rooms.
Right.
You come in here, you feel very intimate, you sit down, you relax while you're getting checked in. Good.
Of course, we present you with cold towel upon welcome, champagne, rum punch, whatever refreshment you need. We take care of that, give you a tour of the property, escort you to your room, and that's how it is.
All right, it was lovely carrying around on this one in Kareem's Quest. Now, Zoetry is located in Montego Bay. It's about 25 minutes away from the airport, right?
Yes, it is.
All right, so, and you can, while you're here, you can just go to different places of attraction in and around the area. They have those services available for you. I mean, of course, I would recommend it for the traveler who is very calm and very mature and likes to spend, you know, quiet time.
Relaxing, relaxing. It's relaxing. This is a property for them. And of course, this property is a family-friendly property. So yes, a good behaving kid can come here and vacate.
And enjoy themselves, right?
Yes.
All right, so you can read my full review on my website, kareemsquest.com. I'm also going to put the barcode somewhere there, so you can just carry your phone right up to it and just scan it, and then you can read it and see what my views are in terms of what are some of the things that I think persons should try. Something that I always ask people, and I forget to ask, what meal must you try when you're here for entree and for appetizer?
On that specific night, it can be a French night. Then we go for the lamb chops.
All right.
If it is a Jamaican night, of course, the oxtail is ready for you.
All right.
Here
it is from Patrick himself. As usual, you're always welcome to join the quest.